Welcome to OEMup. From the home page, navigate to CRM and open the Customer Orders module. To raise a new order, click Create. Begin by selecting the customer. Once a customer is chosen, OEMup automatically pulls in the link details, such as the consignee, shipping address, account manager, and currency, helping you save time and avoid manual re-entry. Next, select the contact person and set the order status, which defaults to quotation. Now fill in the key dates, using the calendar for each field. Complete the remaining details and any reference you'd like to record. Now add the products. In the line item table, add as many products as needed, with each row calculated independently. For larger orders, you can also use Upload Excel as CSV to import items in bulk, download sample CSV for the correct format, or download current table to export your existing lines. At the bottom, OEMup consolidates everything: the subtotal, tax amount, round-off, and grand total, updating automatically as you work. Once everything is complete, save the order, and the new customer order is created. The saved order opens in Detail View, where you can review every section, track the revision number, and edit the order at any time. Using PDF downloads, you can generate the document in multiple formats: quotation, confirmed, proforma invoice, or job card. Each PDF is generated on your company letterhead with complete buyer details, GST breakup, and totals, ready to share. You can also send the PDF directly, or use CopyCo to duplicate the order as a starting point for a new one. The Documents section lets you attach supporting files to the order. Simply select a file, add a description, and save. Documents can be updated or removed whenever required. Use the Notes section to record important information against the order. Notes can be added, edited, or deleted as needed. As the order progresses, update its status, for example, from quotation to confirmed, and OEMup records the change instantly. Once confirmed, you can use Check Stock and Book Items, then click Add Due to raise a delivery order. The delivery form carries forward the ordered items, showing the ordered, remaining, and delivered quantities. Returning to the customer orders listing, you'll find all your orders together, along with a separate Items tab for an item-level view. OEMup provides flexible column management. Show, hide, or reorder columns from the panel on the right to focus on what matters most. You can also export the list anytime as PDF or CSV.